Hello mga kapuso, it's Josh Ford and I'm ready to answer your questions. One thing that I learned at na-realize ko habang nasa loob ako ng bahay ni Kuya is to always persevere, to always go for it. Na kahit anong mangyari, kayanin mo lang. Kasi in the end, no regrets. Yan talaga yung pinaka-importante. To just keep on going and always have a smile on your face. And that's what helps you to keep on going. Ang dami ko natutunan kay Ate Klang. She's my mom. Natutunan ako rin naman kay Ate Klang is, syempre, yung pagluluto, ganyan, and to always be responsible sa mga ginagawa sa gawaing bahay, sa mga ginagawa dito pa din sa outside world. I can't pick. Sobrang dami po nila. As in, lahat. I think sa lahat ng mga house guests, naging close ko po talaga silang lahat. Na-attach ako sa kanila lahat. So when they leave, I get really upset. All of them were so nice to me. Were so genuine. And kaya I'm super happy na nakilala ko sila lahat. So I couldn't choose one. Lahat talaga sila naging love ko. Ang gusto ko maging PBB Big Winner duo ay ang Team Chares. This is because of their perseverance to win. At alam ko may pinaglalaban sila. Hindi lang para sa sarili nila, kundi para sa pamilya nila. They have their advocacies, so that's what I really respect from both of them. Oh, wow! Parang gusto ko talaga makapasok if ever magkaroon ng PBB Celebrity Collab Edition again, ay yung mga kasama ko dati nung na-launch kami, ang Sparkle Teens. Lahat po sila sa Sparkle Teens deserving makapasok kasi lahat sila may mga pinagdadaanan at may mga dreams rin, mga pangarap na gustong maabot. Kaya if ever magkaroon ulit po ng isa pang PBB Celebrity Collab Edition, siguro kahit sino sa Sparkle Teens matutuwa na ako kasi they'll be able to feel what I felt.